My name is Karl Michael Millauer. I'm a business development director for oil and gas of a company, Norwegian company, West Water. West Water is located in Bergen. It's a startup which has developed biodegradable green natural flocculants, so a chemical, which is used for the oil and gas sector because it is replacing the synthetic polymers, which is polyacrylamide based and can create microplastic and so on. And this natural product, we found out that they are very efficient in the oil-water separation, very efficient in the dewatering from sludge. West Water is not a big company. We have about 18 people. We are listed on the Oslo Stock Exchange, so you can see we have the references. And the company is very successful in upstream, and now we're entering more and more downstream as well. We are quite strong in upstream regarding produced water treatment. In downstream, we focus on the sludge dewatering. Norway is very famous for oil and gas, as you know, and for salmon. So we do also salmon aquaculture with our product because it's a natural product. When we saw this event, it got immediately our attention because the company is small, as I told you, make only a few million euro sales. And we want to advertise, promote, and make our solution known in the market. We want that especially oil and gas company, EPC contractors, that they know what we are offering. It's an innovative new solution. And therefore, it was very important for me, this event, to meet many oil and gas companies here, but also many contractors, general contractors who build complete refineries or complete petrochemical complexes and so on. So the reason was really networking and to make our solution and our product known, more known in the market. And we think this is a very efficient and convenient and very cost-saving way. Otherwise, you have to make big advertisement, very expensive online advertisement. So we think this is a good way how we can move forward. We think that, first of all, the biodegradable natural flocculant is biodegradable, so it's very positive for the environment. This was the main driver. We have learned that a lot of oil and gas companies are not so interested in such kind of product because biodegradable is nice, but we don't need it. And in Germany and in many countries, polyacrylamide synthetic polymers are forbidden because they create microplastic in drinking water also. And therefore, we think it is a good solution that we bring also to downstream and upstream, where they have a flocculant, which is no harm to the nature, very efficient, at the same time cost savings, because we can separate much more oil and water. So oil, you can reuse the water much easier, it's much cheaper. And in the downstream, we use it mostly for flotation, but also, as I mentioned, sludge thickening, but also for polishing the water, then when it can be reused in the refinery. And these are the trends. Reuse, we heard in this Congress, reuse of water, sustainability. This is exactly what we can help and contribute to this solution. The main priority was certainly to meet people, decision makers here, and I met very top people which are responsible decision makers. I could introduce our company and our solution to them. It was really networking. It was not so much the presentations. It was nice to see where the downstream refinery petrochemical market, what are the challenges, ammonium cracking, and then all kind of biomass, biogas, and so on. So this trend was interesting to learn more, but the main reason was networking, get our company known and our solution known. And I talked to many, and they will put forward my interest to their people in charge, because these are huge organizations where I'm talking to. So that was the main reason. I can say it was very successful. I think I made more than 20 contacts these 2 days. Yeah. I made very valuable connection. I made a list from the participants. I selected 20 which I really want to meet. And there was a little bit like hunting, where is to see which company. That was a bit challenging in the breaks to get to the right, and then very often they were talking with others, so it is a bit stressful, but I must say I could talk to all 20. All 20 I could give my business cards, all 20 promised me to put me in touch with the people in the organization. So from this point of view, I talked half of them with oil and gas companies and half of them was contractor companies.